everyone, welcome back to another video. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of my exciting tech related videos. So today I'm diving into the world of coding and exploring the top 5 platforms that will help you master the art of coding. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back and let's get started. So first up on my list is Code Academy. So this platform is perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the coding universe. So Code Academy offers interactive coding lessons in various programming languages like Python, JavaScript, HTML or CSS and PHP and more. So their hands-on approach allows you to learn by doing, making it a fun and engaging experience actually. So you can track your progress and earn badges as you complete each module. So next platform is actually Free Code Camp. It's an open source online learning platform that provides a comprehensive curriculum for people interested in learning web development and programming. So it offers like interactive learning, certifications, projects, community, responsive web design certifications and more. So guys, overall it's a valuable resource for self-learners who want to acquire practical coding skills in an engaging and supportive environment without any cost. So the next platform is actually Plus, right? It's an online learning platform that offers a vast library of video-based courses and tutorials focused on technology, software development, IT, data science, cybersecurity and more. So it provides an opportunity for individuals and businesses to access higher quality, expert-led content to develop and enhance their technology skills. So Plus, right, actually learners can choose from a wide range of topics and skills levels, allowing them to tailor their learning journey according to their specific needs and goals. So the courses are created and taught by industry experts and experienced professionals. So ensuring the content is up to date and relevant to the ever-evolving technology landscape. So the platform also offers learning paths, which are created sets of courses designed to help learners progress toward the specific objectives like programming language, preparing for a certification exam and more. So overall, it has gained popularity as a reliable and comprehensive platform for technology learning, helping individuals and organizations stay competitive in the fast-paced world of technology. So the next platform is actually Udemy. It's a massive collection of online courses taught by expert instructors. Udemy covers virtually every programming languages and tech skills you can imagine. So the courses are self-paced. So plus you have lifetime access to the content you purchase. So you can always refer back to it. So guys, Udemy is perfect for those who prefer a more structured learning approach and want to explore various coding topics. Last but not least, next platform is Coursera. So it offers higher quality coding courses and even full-fledged degree programs in computer science. So it provides the blend of video lectures, quizzes and hands-on projects to reinforce your learning. So if you are seeking a more academically oriented coding education with a strong foundation, Coursera might be the ideal choice for you. So finally, and there you have it, my top 5 platforms to master the art of coding. So guys, remember, learning to code opens up a world of opportunities in today's digital age. So whether you want to build websites, create apps or dive into data science, these platforms have the resources you need to succeed. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech related videos. So let us know in the comments below if you are used to any of these platforms, or if there are any other coding platforms you recommend. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.